Hey Atsu, where are we at right now?
So it's called Dotonbori in Shinsaibashi, and it's gonna be the shopping district. And if you want to take a fucking look around,
yeah, it's some old style and some Tartarian looking thing right there.
Dude, look at how many fucking people there are.
Yeah, just people everywhere. This is where all, like, you know, the material losers go to buy Gucci and Prada and all this stuff. They'll go down that way. It's for, you know, Beverly Hills sucks in LA, so why would I want to be in Beverly Hills in Osaka? But if you go down here, it's more like cool, random shopping. So we're gonna go look for some cool stores, maybe peep in some cool restaurants, and creep on, follow perv cam some hot girls. Just kidding. I do that with my cell phone, and I'm not sharing that with you. But I'm in Japan, okay? I gotta get my old Master Roshi perv on. So
we'll go to the what was the river? This is the river right here.
Check it out. Check it out.
Check it out.
Look at that. It looks like they have concerts there, or they're going to later tonight, which is kind of cool. All right, let's go in. So now we're heading towards shinsaibashi-suji, which I guess is like one of the main shopping bazaars in Osaka. I see better. Oh yeah, his voice is not that good. Sorry, homie. That's a sick fur jacket. Look at that LA fur jacket. I love it. Represent, homie. That's sick. That hat. Japan is lit. Look at that.
I don't even know if I want to go in there.
We'll just do it. Come on. All right. So many people. Well, we'll just go across, see what happens. Guaranteed every store in here is going to be a ripoff, but whatever. Except McDonald's. I wonder if Japanese McDonald's is more lit than American. Yeah, every McDonald's is more lit than American McDonald's. In England, they have like curry sauces and all that. And it's all halal. I wouldn't mind some Japanese ice cream in a little also. Yeah, so I see a lot of, you know, the corny designer stores that we don't like. We want to find some more authentic Japanese stuff. What is this? Should I go for that look, guys? Should I bleach my hair?
This is like the place that, like, there's a Stussy store somewhere around here.
So this is what you call Little America?
Yeah, so I know exactly.
Okay, for sure. Yeah. Damn, this place looks cool.
Yeah. Now I know exactly.
All right.
Yep, a little off right here.
Yeah, we could smoke here.
Actually, I think we can.
What? I just saw some people. Yeah, that guy's smoking. Yeah. I ended up buying some badass Japanese drip. This thing right here came out to about $100 bucks. And this is from, what's the name of this store. Can't even see a name, otherwise it would there. Rousey, Osaka. This is actually, little people know this, but this store was actually started by Ronda Rousey in the 1800s. Her great grandfather, who's Irish. I don't know what I'm saying. It's a nice store though. Oh, let's look at this. Let's look at this one. The silver jewelry one. So this is Orange Street. It's connected to the main shopping area, but the more low-key stores are going to be on Orange Street, and then you have all these like nice side stores and cafes. So right now we're on our way to find a shop. What we're looking for? Pigsty? Pigsty? Is it what? Okay, that's what we're looking for. And so we're on a slight mish, but kind of cool. I like exploring. Nice little cafe. Damn.
You want to check out that shop?
I can see from the outside.
Oh shit, Red Wings.
Nice Akira poster, damn. So here we have an authentic puppy cafe where you pick what you want cooked. They prepare it in roughly about 12 hours. It's a specialty here in Japan. Look at that. Look at them dogs. Yeah, primo puppy chefs here. So don't question it, it's part of Japanese culture. Why do your people eat puppies, Atsu?
Yeah, you gotta fucking find exotic meats.
Yeah, good nutrients. You know, when you can't afford adrenochrome, it's the next best thing. Duh, I'm here to find me a big titty anime chick. Classic style. Grab what's good. I'm gonna try to look for some unagi, some tuna, maybe some squid. Let's see what they got.
We sell THC over here, we just sell straight tea.
Got a little bit of everything in these shops. So cool. Look at that girl. I like that fur thing. Some cool things here. That lady helped us find that sushi place, which was really good. We had what, like between both of us, 10 plates each. It came out to $30. Mind you, this is better than majority of the sushi you're gonna find in the States, unless you go to like, you know, Matsuhisa or like some place like that. Katsuya.
Even then, it's like all their fish is imported. Man.
Yeah,
So it's
that's
like,
true.
Fucking, you have to realize that like we're getting it straight from the source.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be cheaper and
Higher
fresher.
quality,
Yeah, much
healthier. Like so.
I don't know about healthier because, you know,
It's well, no, it's a
toxins are
trend.
toxins, but-
It's a trend now. Well, not even a trend. It's just majority of the fish you're gonna get in the States is farm grown, and farm grown is always gonna be lesser in quality because you have these stagnant fish. They're more likely to have parasites in them. So when you get like, you know, 10 plates of sushi or 20 plates of sushi for 30 bucks, and it's like higher quality. I mean, Japan does not mess around. Starbucks is popping off. That is makes sense. Yo, 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 we out here in one of the coolest cities in the world, Osaka. And we're going to one of the coolest bars ever, Captain Kangaroo's. Begin and end your journey at this bar because they rock the fuck out. Look at this. Step in the Captain Kangaroo's. All right. I'll stop recording and then I'll go back to record. Yeah, they got like great burgers, which is kind of rare in Japan. Great American food, amazing beer selection. How much?
So that's exactly what it is. It's literally just a straight line down. Yeah, so
Last time I was here, I was wearing a Noisia shirt, and within seconds they wheeled out CDJs and played the illest Neurofunk set for like 3 goddamn hours. It was so fun, just because I was wearing a Noisia shirt.
you know,
They just whipped out the band.
I got a John the Butler.